What's going on, guys? I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com, and I have another unboxing for you guys to check out. I don't skate, but I do respect the grind. Let's get into it. Now, before we even open the box, I like to talk about the box itself. If you know, and you should know, this shoe came out in 2017, but it's really an homage to the pink box era of 2005. That being said, let's pop the top. And sure enough, it's the staple Nike SB Dunk Low Black Pigeon. First things first, the man behind this shoe, Jeff Staple, owner and founder of Staple Design. Based in New York, the city and Staple Design's logo are behind the design focus of this shoe, using the city's unofficial mascot, the pigeon, as inspiration. So 2005 saw the release of the original Staple Nike SB Dunk Low Pigeon, which pretty much kickstarted the whole SB wave back then. In 2006, we got the purple pigeon. 11 years later, they released the black pigeon. But by then, it was pretty quiet on the SB front, so it was more of a shout out to 15 years of the SB Dunk and 20 years of Staple Design. So I'm unboxing this shoe today in 2019 because on January 15, we're gonna see another pigeon added to the series, the Panda Pigeon, which we believe at Nice Kicks is gonna lead the new wave of SB Dunks in 2019. So finally getting to the shoe, we have an all black upper with smooth leather and nubuck trading panels up top, and red accents hitting the tongue tab, heel tab, and red bottom. So basically what they wanted to do is keep the shoe simple and let the embroidered pigeon on the heel be the focal point of the shoe. So with all of that being said, and the Panda Pigeon being released on January 15, 2019, do you plan on dialing 911 on those? Let us know in the comment section. And also, if you've picked up this pigeon or any of the other pigeons, let us know as well, or just let us know your thoughts on the series as a whole. All that said, this has been another Nice Kicks unboxing. I'm Gabe Ocean telling you to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more from Nice Kicks. Thanks for watching.